Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. Do you know that you can change your profile just like the other social media apps? Whether you want to replace the current profile picture with a new one or use a customized one for the first time, it's simple and quick. So let's begin. First, open up your TikTok app, then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. On Edit Profile, tap on Change Photo. A pop-up will appear, tap on the desired option. If you want to take photo right now and put it as a profile, tap on it. Or else, select Photo Gallery and choose the picture you want. This will take you to the gallery where you choose the picture you want to post as profile picture and tap on Confirm. You can zoom in or zoom out to adjust the picture as you like. Now tap on Save and you are done. So that is how you change your profile picture on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.